Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Sony BRAVIA 3 55-inch 4K TV. I've already been using this for over a month now, and this is a great entry-level Sony TV to have in your house. So let me show you all the features that it has, and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see the TV itself with the off position. Once you turn it on, it turns on very quickly. You can see how fast that it turns on. The operating system on the TV is an Android system, and it uses the Google TV. It comes pre-installed with your favorite streaming apps, and you can even install different apps and different games using the Play Store on here. So all you have to do is just sign up using your Gmail account, and you're ready to go. The speakers sound nice and clear, and let me show you the different ports that it has. So this is how it looks on the side panel. It comes with two USB-A ports, one 3.0 and another one 2.0. You have your optical input. You have 4 different HDMI ports. You have your Ethernet port. You have 2 3.5mm jack, and you have your coaxial cable right here. So you can see how thin the TV is. You can see how clearly that the video looks and sounds. So this TV works very well when you're hooking up your gaming system on here. You see it's set up right. So the image quality is very clear while you're playing your games, when you're watching movies, and it's very fast. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Sony BRAVIA 4K TV. I like how well the operating system works with the Android system. The image looks nice and clear, even with the lights on. And I also like how it comes pre-installed with the popular streaming app. And I also like how you could download different apps using the Play Store. And I like how it has a lot of different ports to insert different things in here.